Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new money making opportunity with CPA marketing. You can make 100 a day CPA money over and over again applying this simple system. It's 100% free, 100% beginner friendly. And if you're really interested to make money with CPA marketing, then complete this tutorial step by step. I will show you everything. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can make 100 a day CPA money using weight loss niche. So guys, if you're really struggling and if you're really interested to make money with CPA marketing, then complete this tutorial and don't miss any important part of this tutorial. Now let me introduce myself first. I am Raju Bhadra. I am an affiliate marketer. Over 10 years I am working here. And if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. I hope you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. And 20 income increasing bonuses that's worth value $2,000 inside my video description. You can get it. Just download it for free. Just complete a simple survey and download all these 20 income increasing bonuses for free. Let's check my video description and grab all these 20 income increasing bonuses within 1 minute simple survey. Now I will show you step by step how you can use weight loss niche and make money with CPA marketing. It's amazing, interesting, and very easy to apply. And it's 100% free, and there is no hassle to apply this method. Let's complete this tutorial and follow all the steps. Don't miss any part of this tutorial. And if you have any questions, then comment in the comment box. Okay. At the first, you have to visit this MarketHealth. Okay. At the first, you have to create account on MarketHealth. Okay, the biggest health and beauty niche site. Okay, just create your account on MarketHealth, and if you already have account on MarketHealth, then fine. Now go to this offer section and go this weight loss offer. You see here a lot of weight loss offers there and all the CPA and revenue share offers there. You can choose any of the offers, Titan CPA, then Garcinia Ultra Pure CPA. You can choose any of the CPA weight loss related CPA offers from here. Now I want to promote this offer, Titan CPA. Okay, just click here and you will get all the information here, and it's your CPA affiliate link. Okay, and other resource here. Just you need this CPA affiliate link and you have to promote this link. Okay, now you have to opt for the traffic and how you can get traffic using weight loss niche. Okay, and for this method I will show you how you can use weight loss niche to get your traffic and get conversion with these CPA offers and make money with CPA marketing. Okay, I will show you some weight loss related stories, and you have to share these stories, and I will show you a story sharing site. This is vocal.media. Okay, you see here the top stories here. A lot of people share their stories, a lot of people visit this site, and you can get this free traffic just sharing other people's weight loss related stories. Okay, let's check the traffic stat of this site. You see here this is the United States ranking 10,000 and most of the people from United States. Okay, 42% people, almost 50% people from United States. Now you have to share your share other people's weight loss related stories inside this vocal.media. Okay, now go here Google and search here weight loss stories. Okay, you see here a lot of weight loss story related content here. Now open any of the content. Okay, you see here a lot of weight loss related stories here. You see here story number 1, story number 2, story number 3, story number 4, story number 5. A lot of stories here, and you can choose any of the site to get weight loss related stories, and you have to share the stories on this vocal media. Okay, at first you have to create account on vocal media, just simply using your Twitter account, Facebook account, Gmail account, or you can use any of the email account to create your account on vocal media. After that, you have to share your stories. Now you see here, create a story. Okay, at the first you have to put a title. Okay, just go here. You see here, it's on of the story. Okay, just copy this title, paste the title here. Okay, get 3 weight loss stories below. Okay, you have to add a title first, then subtitle. Okay, after that you have to add a image. Okay, just choose weight loss related on image here. Okay, now start writing. Just below here, start writing. Just go here and simply copy this portion and paste here. Okay, and you have to add minimum 600 words. You see here 180 words. Okay, now I want to a story on. Okay, now a story 2. Go here, just copy the story title and copy the story on title here. You have to add minimum 600 words, otherwise your story never been approved. Okay, now story number 2. Okay, this is story number 2. Now story number 3. Six hundred words not completed. Now I have to another story number 4. Okay, then I have to change here. Okay, get 4. Okay, now story number 4. Now 600 hours will be completed. Okay, here is 720 on hours. Just Okay, now you have to add your call to action. Okay, now I want to add my call to action here. How to lose weight in 30 days. Click here. See how to lose weight in 30 days. Click here. Okay, now I want to add more call to action at the bottom of this story. Okay, now go here this market health and simply copy this affiliate link, go here and add your link here. Okay, okay, that's fine, that's fine. Now once again at the first you have to add a title, then add a subtitle. Now you have to add an image and you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4 stories according to the rules of 600 words. You have to add minimum 600 words to publish your stories here. You see here both option is okay. You see here if your story under or below 600 words, then your story never be approved. Okay, now click here save change. Okay, save successfully and this is your story. Okay, this is your story, and by applying this simple system, by applying this sharing weight loss related stories, you can promote these CPA offers, weight loss related CPA offers there, and you can make money with CPA marketing. So guys, this is the simple way, and if you're really interested to make money with CPA marketing, then you can simply apply it. It's 100% free, 100% beginner friendly. Now if you really enjoy this method, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And don't forget to grab this 20 income increasing bonuses for free. Just complete a simple survey within 1 or 2 minutes and grab all these 20 income increasing bonuses for free. That's what value is $2,000. So guys, thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.